Hi everybody, just trying to do a quick 1, 2, 3 on the new Weber 14-inch smoker I got, and actually putting it together. A few things I ran into. Number one, the screw on the top for the handle is really hard to get in. I had to use two hands, put it on a counter, and just keep turning it a half turn, a quarter turn to not strip the screw head. Second issue I ran into was the fiber washers. There's 12 of them, and they go in between every fastener, and in between down here you have to use the two-finger thing to hold the bolts in and put your washer on, then push them through. So once I got past that, then I realized that the basic barrel was out of round. I mean, this thing would rock really bad, and I saw daylight coming from down around this area, so I had to basically reshape the barrel to fit the bottom, and I just used the palm of my hand and one on the other side and just kept working and working and working and reshaped it, because I'm sure that air gap would have caused the thing to run hot. And we got photobombed by Bubbles the cat. Well, that's pretty much all I learned. Your 6 metal washers go inside the bottom base to protect it against the nuts, and that's about it. Peace out.